Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to register for Barclays Online Banking. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for barclays.co.uk. So next we're going to click on the link that's presented. So as you can see, this is their official website. We're going to scroll over and click on current accounts. So here again, we're going to scroll downwards until we find the following option, Barclays Bank Account, then click on Explore. So here again, we're going to scroll downwards until you see how to apply for a sole Barclays Bank account. They're going to tell you the requirements. You could do it through the app, but if not, you could click on Apply to a Bank Account Online. Then you're going to fill out the form. Then once you're done, you're going to see things you'll need. So once you confirm that, you're going to click on Continue. Then these are the terms and conditions. Read it thoroughly. Once you're done, you're going to tick this box and click on Continue. Then here you're going to fill out the form. So once you fill out the form, the next thing you do is click on Next. They're going to run your ID check, then your account setup, then account details. So once you're done, you're registered for Barclays Online Banking. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.